Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could have a steady supply of your favorite nugget ice at home whenever you want it? The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is making that a reality for many people, and for good reason. This portable and high-capacity ice maker is a game-changer for those who love to entertain or simply enjoy a cold drink on a hot day. As one of the top-rated ice makers on the market, it's clear that many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and convenience. One of the key benefits of the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is its ability to produce soft, chewable ice that's perfect for cocktails, sodas, and other beverages. The ice it produces has a smooth texture that's easy to crush and won't water down your drinks. You'll also appreciate the quiet operation of this machine, which makes it perfect for use in the kitchen or office without disturbing others. The sound of the ice falling into the basket is also surprisingly satisfying, and the feel of the cool ice in your hands is very refreshing. In real-life use cases, this ice maker excels at parties and gatherings, where it can produce a steady supply of ice to keep drinks cold for hours. It's also great for everyday use, providing a convenient way to have ice on hand without having to trek to the store or wait for ice trays to freeze. Compared to other ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop stands out for its high capacity and portability, making it easy to take with you on the go. Overall, this product is a great addition to any home, and its many benefits make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves ice. With its impressive performance and convenience, it's no wonder this ice maker is so popular, and it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new ice maker. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.